In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off double opt-in on Klaviyo. Whether you're new to Klaviyo or just looking to simplify your email list management, disabling the double opt-in feature can make the process more streamlined and less cumbersome. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you can complete this task with ease. To start, you'll need to access your Klaviyo account. Open your favorite web browser and type in www.klaviyo.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed, so click on that to enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but for today's purpose, let's assume you already have an account set up. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the left panel of the dashboard. Here you'll find a section labeled Audience. Click on this to expand the options available to you. Once you're in the Audience section, your next task is to click on Lists and Segments. This is where Klaviyo organizes all the different groups and lists you've created, making it the hub for managing your subscriber information. From here, locate the specific profile or list for which you'd like to turn off double opt-in. This part is crucial because the setting change will apply only to the list you select. Click on the particular list profile to enter its settings. Once you're inside the chosen list's interface, look for the Settings option. Clicking on this will give you access to a variety of configuration choices affecting how your list behaves and interacts with subscribers. In the Settings tab, find the section called Consent. This area deals specifically with how subscribers confirm their interest in joining your list. Now, you'll see an option to select Single Opt-in. By default, some lists are set to double opt-in for added subscriber verification, but switching to single opt-in means subscribers will automatically be added to your list without needing to confirm again via a secondary email. This is particularly useful if you want to reduce friction and promptly grow your list. After selecting single opt-in, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for the Save button to ensure your new settings are applied. This final step is important because it updates the list configuration to reflect the new opt-in status. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've successfully turned off the double opt-in on Klaviyo, allowing your subscribers to join your list with a single action. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Until next time, happy emailing,